it's day 2, so I hope you had a chance to write down some of your ideas yesterday, and I hope that you got yourself excited about your book again and are ready today for a little more advice. So today we're going to talk about how we can take all of those ideas and somehow move into that space, which should help create some more excitement about what you'd like to write. So I've got a few different ways that I do that. So what I'll do is I look at everything that I've written, all of my ideas, everything, and then I go with my gut. There's a lot of people that'll say, you can't start writing until you have an outline. You can't start writing until this or that or whatever. And I say, just whatever you're excited about, write about that. So if you're most excited about the characters, then write about the characters. If you're most excited about getting that plot line figured out and that's where your juice is, then go there. So any of those aspects of your story that get you the most excited, start with that, because as you do that and things start to take form, you're just going to get more and more excited and then be able to kind of follow those directions down the rabbit hole, so to speak. So as you're starting out, don't put too many rules on yourself because you'll kill the magic and then you won't want to keep going. So just start. Sometimes I can see a scene and I know who's there, and I just kind of do a method acting approach where I go and I sit in the room and I wait for the characters to start talking. So clearly, I'm a fiction writer. This probably is maybe not the best advice for memoirs, but maybe it is. Who knows? It's up to you to find that inspiration. Maybe you're doing the same thing, but in your own memories. Totally could work. So that's my advice for finding the path through what gets you excited. And then as that takes form, you will be amazed at how many things show up for you. So maybe you don't know how it's going to go, but as you write, all of a sudden you'll know. Or sometimes, might sound crazy, but the characters will tell you, or they might have something else in mind entirely. Let's say you think you know where the story is going to go and they'll take it in another direction, and I'm not kidding. So as you create your characters, they will start to take on personalities of their own and they'll start doing things. And that's the magic of creative dialogue. That's what makes this so fun. You get to create everything. You get to create the world, the scene, what everybody wears, what everybody says to one another. It's godlike. It's godlike, and it's fun. You can add whatever you want. You decide you want dragons, put dragons. You want fairies, put fairies. You want an ideal life, go ahead, create it for yourself. And for all of your characters, it's completely up to you. And it's daunting on the one hand, but it's also extremely fun. So my advice to you is to find out what you're most excited about and lean into it and see what happens. And if that does occur to you and you've get something out of that you weren't expecting, I want to know about it. So let me know in the comments.